Sorry.
Speak again. Those are watches.
Those are watches.
Those are watches.
Those are helicopters.
Those are helicopters.
Those are computers.
Those are computers.
Apple.
This is an apple.
This is an apple.
Yes.
This is an apple. This is bottle. This is a face. This is a vegetables. That is a apple.
An apple. That is an apple.
An apple. Or this is an apple.
This is an apple.
This is a bottle.
This is a bottle.
This is a face.
This is a face.
This is a phone.
This is a phone.
This is a vegetables.
This is a vegetable, not vegetables. Vegetable.
Vegetable.
This is a vegetable.
This is a vegetable.
Yeah.
That is a children.
That is a child.
That is a child.
That's a child. That's a child.
That-
That is below. That's a child.
That's a child.
That's a child. That's a mirror.
That's a mirror.
That's a hand.
That's a hand.
That's a cooler.
That's a guru.
That's an AC.
That's
That's a pen.
a pen.
That's a bag.
That's a bag.
That's a marker.
That's a marker.
That's a car.
That's a car.
That's a board.
That's a board.
That's a chair.
That's a chair.
That's an Indian flag.
That is an infant.
That's my spectacles.
That's my practicals.
That is chair.
That's chair.
That's a tree.
That's a tree.
That's my home.
That's my home.
That's my brother.
That's my brother.
That's my sister.
That's my sister.
That's my shoes.
That's my shoes.
You know. Okay.
Those are-
उसी लाइन को क्लियर करो.
Those are children.
Those are children. Those are children.
Those are bottle.
Those are bottles.
Those are face.
Those are faces.
Those are phone.
Those are phones.
Those are vegetables.
Those are vegetables. Next.
This is a tiger.
This is a tiger.
This is a not tiger.
This is not a tiger.
This is a lion.
This is a lion.
That is not lion.
That's not lion. No, that's not lion.
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 बोलते जाओ.
Those are not cottons.
Those are not cotton.
Those are not cottons.
Those are not cotton.
Those are not pens.
Those are not pants.
हो गया सर, हो गया.
Run. जल्दी बाहर से करो. Please clap for it. तालियां. Good. Next is Krish. नहीं, Rohit. Rohit मेरा. Krish ने तो गलत respond किया यार.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit. I explain affirmative sentences. This is a pen.
This is a pen. This is a pen.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a lion.
This is a lion.
This is a window.
This is a window.
This is a tree.
This is a key.
That sentences.
That's a sentence. That's a sentence. That's a sentence. Or
That is a board.
that's a board. That's a board. That's a board.
That is a pen.
That's a pen.
That is a man.
That's a man.
That is a tree.
That's a tree.
Those sentences.
Those are sentences. Those are sentences. Those are sentences. Those are chairs.
Those are chairs.
Those are horses.
Those are horses.
Those are cats.
Those are cats.
Those are dogs.
Those are dogs.
Those are my pens.
Those are pens.
Those are my bats.
Those are my
Those
bags.
are fans.
Those are fans.
Those are chairs.
Those are chairs.
Those are boards.
Those are boards.
Those are windows.
Those are windows.
Those are my bracelets.
Those are my bracelets.
Those are bracelets.
Those are bracelets.
Those are phones.
Those are phones.
Those are watches.
Those are
Those
bottles.
are my watches.
Those are my watches.
Those are your watches.
Those are your
Those
watches.
are televisions.
Those are televisions.
Those are mics.
Those are mics.
Those are stands.
Those are stands.
Those are bikes.
Those are bikes.
Those are cars.
Those are cars.
Those are electric scooters.
Those are electric.
Those are electric scooties.
Those are electric scooties. Those are scooties.
Those are windows.
Those are windows.
Those are vegetables.
Those are vegetables.
Those my phones.
Those are my phones.
Next sentence.
This.
Say not लगाना, not. This is not. This is not. That is not.
This is an
That is a no.
that this sentence
This is
is
not a phone.
this is not a phone.
This is not a chair.
This is not a chair.
This is not a window.
This is not a
This is
window.
not a stand.
This is not a stand.
This is not a curtain.
Those is the garden.
Curtain means
Curtain.
This is not a mirror.
Those is not a bear.
This is not a paper.
This is not a
This
bear.
is not a class.
This is not a
This
class.
is not a hall.
This is not
This is
all.
not a house.
This is not a house.
This is not wallpaper.
This is not
This is
wallpaper.
not a phone.
This is not a
This
phone.
is not a fan.
This is not a fan.
That is a fan.
That is a
That's
fan.
not a fan.
That's not a fan.
That's not window.
That's not window.
That's not my file.
That's not my file.
That's not my chair.
That's not
That's
chair.
not a flag.
That's not a flag.
Hello.
This is a monkey.
This is a monkey.
This is a cat.
This is a cat.
This is the dog.
This is a dog.
This is a tiger.
This is a tiger.
This is a cow.
This is a cow. Bolo.
This is a cow.
That is a Rahul.
That is Rahul.
That is a Gaurav.
That is Gaurav. नहीं आनी लगाओगे. That is Rahul. That is Gaurav.
That is a
That is
Satinder.
That is Satinder. Not a Satinder. That is Satinder.
That is-
That is Satinder.
That is Satinder. Those are six.
Those are
Six.
six में सब कुछ है
हाँ सर six.
हैं? कौन सा है छह बोल रहे हो वो वाले छह तो नहीं बोले जो ये सोच रहे हैं हाँ? बोलो those are windows
Those are windows.
those are windows done okay yeah
This is a bike.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arun. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arun. Thank you so much. I explain sentences,
Okay.
some sentences.
Okay.
So this is a bike.
This is a bike.
This is an electric scooty.
This is the electric scooty.
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter.
This is a smartphone.
This is a smartphone.
This is a blue car.
This is a phone car.
This is a bicycle.
This is a bicycle.
This is a watch.
This is a watch.
This is a rickshaw.
This is a rickshaw.
This is a mobile.
This is a mobile.
And this is a bag.
This is a bag.
This is a cinema's ticket.
This is a cinema ticket.
This is a computer.
This is a computer.
That is a bike.
That is a bike.
That is an electric scooty.
That is an electric scooty.
That is a helicopter.
That is a helicopter.
That is a watch.
That is a watch.
That is a computer.
That is a computer.
That is a tractor.
That is a tractor.
And that is a necklace.
That is a necklace.
Those are bikes.
Those are bikes.
Those are helicopters.
Those are helicopters.
Those are watches.
Those are watches.
Watches.
Those
Sorry.
are watches.
Sorry.
Speak again. Those are watches.
Those are watches.
Those are watches.
Those are helicopters.
Those are helicopters.
Those are computers.
Those are computers.
Those are necklaces.
Those are necklaces.
Sorry. Those are necklaces.
Yes, those are necklaces.
Those are guns.
Those are guns.
Those are bikes.
Those are bikes.
And those are smartphones.
Those are smartphones.
These are bikes.
These are bikes.
These are chairs.
These are chairs.
And these are helicopters.
These are helicopters.
These are cars.
These are cars. That's it for today. We will meet tomorrow on Watch, alright? Please clap for Arun. Very good. Nice. Everybody.
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े आए, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस की आप लोगों ने, ठीक है। इसके ऊपर दिस दैट दीज दोस्त के और भी होते हैं सब्जेक्ट्स और भी जानेंगे, साथ ही साथ काफ़ी सारे नॉट ये एफर्मेटिव नेगेटिव इन पे भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। जहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट आपको नहीं मिल पाता वो एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट बनेगा। क्लास के साथ ऐसी कॉर्पोरेट करते चलते रहिए, जो चीज़ नहीं आती वो पूछते रहिए, और लास्ट में अगर मिटाना है इंग्लिश का क्लेश जॉइन द एक्सप्रेस, ठीक है। कल मिलते हैं, थैंक यू सो मच, स्टे ट्यून एंड इफ यू डिडंट सब्सक्राइब येट तो प्लीज मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब, जय हिंद।